that he is not aware of this exam, what is going on, and he is just making the pictures. Satish, what are you doing?
I need one.
Look
What
at
are you
this.
doing?
So,
Right? Your own paper, right? Don't copy.
Satish, have you noticed that what he is doing?
Yes.
He is making the pictures.
You want to say? What should I can do?
How about this? How about this? He is cheating. Have you seen this?
Is that what students?
So now the exam is over now. The only student is has written the paper, everything is noting down. He is the best student. So only one student from the entire class.
So exam over?
Yeah. Over.
It's over.
Oh.
For various reasons, dropouts are very nicely.
I am in the phase right now.
That's why the spontaneous plane and all. Yeah. Wonderful. Chalo, next. He's the road and he's bumpy.
And I have a very low maintenance car.
And
I am a star owner.
And his boss.
And he's my driver.
He's your driver. Okay.
शुरू हो जा मेरी माँ मीटिंग है चल
नहीं जाते
अरे भाग नहीं मेरी माँ
नहीं जाते
अरे इतने पैसे खर्च करके लाए हो अब तो भाग
कुछ खाना नहीं खिलाते पेट्रोल नहीं डालते मेंटेन नहीं करते
अरे मीटिंग हो जाएगी जॉब मिल जाएगा अच्छा प्रमोशन हो जाएगा तो पेट्रोल डालूंगा अब तो चल
रोड तो पूछा है इतने बॉटल्स है मैं नहीं जाती मेरा
रोड
टाइम
भी
खराब
ठीक
होता है
करवा दूंगा पहले चल तू
problem.
चल
अच्छा ठीक है
अभी इसको भी अभी फोन हाँ सर पूछ रहा हूँ सर
सुदर्शन आपकी वजह से हम आधा घंटा ऑलरेडी लेट चुके हैं
हाँ सर 15 मिनट ट्रैफिक में हूँ सर प्लीज
जल्दी चल मैंने उसी टाइम में ऑफिस में आ गया रास्ते में चल जल्दी चल
अरे भाग ये रास्ते में से निकल गया सर यार उठ के जाना है मुझे चल भाग
ड्राइवर कम ऑन
अबे रास्ते में गड्ढे है गड्ढे में रास्ता
अबे तुम
अरे भाग अरे उड़ना तो चाहता हूँ यार उड़ कैसे भाग मेरी गाड़ी उड़ चल उड़ हवा से बाहर निकल
उड़ के लेके जाओ
अरे हम बात पूरा कर देते
ओके दैट्स इट
Okay. Very good. Very good. Whatever you did, I think even you must be amazed at what you are capable of. It does work out this way when we crunch time. We are not looking at performances for audiences. We are looking at performances for self. Primarily for self. When you've done this, you suddenly realize that there is a lot of potential. Also, the role play that I saw was completely varied here, wherein one group had a role play of inanimate objects, which was speak. There was a role play where somebody, even I didn't know, I didn't think that these were problems. When you yourself went into that, you said, okay, I think this will be a good thing, and the outcome being humorous makes a lot of sense. So I think role play plays a lot of part in your performances. Now these performances could be, as you said, as you did, where your medium is your body or yourself, and of course the interactive levels, or they could be in the domain, in the virtual world. So I think taking from role play, I think I would like Atul to take it beyond for the solutions.
Yeah, actually, interestingly, the role play and the skit was amazing. Well, just imagine 5 minutes of preparation and 1 minute of performance. gave you a lot of information about that industry, the stakeholders, and things like that. So, like we did that before, right? We did that before. Somebody was talking about some kind of business benefits. So, like in the PMT case, tic-tac-toe could be a tool, a game, a tool which is used for increasing the immersion of the passengers, right? So that's why there will be another reason to travel by PMT for that matter. Is the kind of rule he has established. So likewise, let us actually we are through with the most difficult task of the design, frankly. And now I believe, are you completely with me if I say you have understood this portion? What is this portion? Goals of the computers, goals of the users and goals of the industry. To whatever level, you are comfortable with this dot?
Yes.
Definitely. You are also comfortable with this dot. You enjoyed the whole thing, right?
Yeah.
Now that, let us try and fulfill this dot a little more. Could there be fun in all these elements, you know? The fun could be of accomplishment, something to be won. So if the problems those came up in that state is not a limitation. Think beyond these 5 to 3 pain points, think beyond these particular roles, stick to the industry. So PMT, stick to that industry. Studies, stick to that industry. The third one, stick to that industry. Sticking to your industry, try and define these two little more elaborately on the paper. This is an exercise of the group. Again, rejoin the groups. You could sit anywhere you want, 3 groups. You start defining this portion slightly more. Out of the exercises now, right? Out of the skits. So out of the skits, I could clearly define, actually the educational skit was amazing. It clearly defined 4 or 5 interesting points. So the idea is not solving problems of the whole world. Idea is not that. So I am not saying that you will design a game because of which kids will probably be immersed in the regular education so much that everybody will become PhD. That's not the scope. The scope is, the goal is only limited to creating maybe little bit of interest in a particular topic, things like that, or maybe finding the right talent from a particular student, any which way you want to define. So it has to have some amount of binding with the skit. Define goals and define what are the fun elements. Is there a possibility of creating some fun elements? Also, think of a business reason. You got my point? If you just write down these things, number 1, user goals, number 2, company goals, organization goals, right? Number 3 is business proposition. And then think of a funny game. All you guys are going to design number of game concepts right now. I'm sure all of your brains are kind of loaded with a lot of information. If at all I'll say, okay, go home and design, it will not come out. Definitely. Because we have almost climbed the whole hill. It is just a matter of the last step. You take that step and creatively come up with minimum 5 game concepts related to that industry that you have chosen, related to all these stakeholders or more. Don't be limited. Industry is limited. Roles could be anything. And there should be a business proposition. Do I make sense? I am necessarily not going to give you any example. So like typical brainstorming, try and quickly do a very fast brainstorming of maybe goals, of maybe what do you mean by fun in traveling, what do you mean by fun in education, likewise. Come up with random words.